Hey guys, hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video a little bit later than usual because I'm busy with some things for the community. If you guys are interested, by the way, still in using the trading algorithm, which is up around 20% last month and the month before around 30%, make sure to check out the website. Link is in the description down below. Without further ado, let's dive into this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so looking at the dollar index, what can we currently see? Well, we're currently stalling in this area of resistance. Furthermore, we have formed this ascending wedge. So what we could potentially start seeing is a pushback down in towards the lows on the dollar index. Currently, the dollar index could move a little bit higher in towards 94.512, but essentially, yeah, today we do have some massive dollar news. This would be a beautiful outcome. So just a quick push up, take out the liquidity above the highs potentially, and then crash further down after seeing this channel maturement and currently being within daily supply. However, of course, it is news today, so anything could happen, but this is, from a technical perspective, one of the most logical options in my opinion. So yeah, that's the dollar index for you guys. Nothing really much in the sense that it's not that complicated. We could still see a push up, then a push down, or a push down from here as we already have channel maturement. So yeah, that's the dollar index, and let's head over to Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar as of now, as we can see, beautiful reaction from that number one area of supply, currently pushing back down in towards these areas of demand. So we all have these kind of little areas of demand, currently also situated in daily demand. So we could start seeing a push back up higher if the dollar index decides to correct after seeing that channel maturement, right? So furthermore, what do we have? Well, we have another area of demand down below over here at 0.73610. So let's say we do push back down a little bit lower, then we could also see a reaction from that level. And yeah, that is pretty much it, what I'm looking for today. Not really wanting to trade these pairs, but let's say we start seeing a breakout out of this downtrend, then we could catch potentially a nice ride back up in towards the highs. So yeah, that's Aussie dollar. Let's head over to Euro dollar. So looking at Euro dollar reacted beautifully to this area of 4-hour demand all the way down below over here. Currently waiting for it to potentially push up higher, seeing a pullback after the push back down. However, yeah, all time frames are bearish. So would you want to be looking for longs? Not really. Looking at the 1 hour, looking at the 4 hour, looking at the daily, looking at the weekly, everything is bearish. So not really interested or that interested in longs. However, we are currently situated inside two areas of 4-hour demand. Also looking at the daily, we're also situated in daily demand. So we could see that push up higher if the dollar index once again decides to correct. But I will not be trading today because it is NFP. So I'll just be waiting and seeing what is going to be doing and how the market will unfold itself. So yeah, that's pretty much Euro dollar. Let's head over to pound dollar. Pound dollar currently located at these lows, currently located in daily demand. So we could see a push back up in towards the highs very soon, in my opinion, to see a pullback back in towards this area over here. So this line over here. 1.36104. That's kind of the area that I'm looking for a pullback towards. So yeah, that's pound dollar. Let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar just pushing back down in towards lows, currently reacting to 4-hour demand beautifully, expecting a pullback very soon. The short from yesterday, which I showed you guys in yesterday's video, has reached its full target. Beautiful to see. Been calling this level of 0.70838 for days. So yeah, it's beautiful to see the setup playing out to absolute perfection. So now it's just a waiting game to see what's going to be happening. Essentially not really bothered what's going to be happening. A 1 to 4.75. Beautiful setup. Yeah, just really in love with this trade. So yeah, that's it for Kiwi dollar as well. Let's head over to gold. And gold, what is gold doing? Gold's pushing up higher. Yeah, gold is just super messy. No real resistance formed for me. A lot of resistance traders got tagged into shorts over here. Personally, not really a big fan of anything on gold at the moment. It is looking like gold wants to move up higher. Looking at the weekly, we have formed a beautiful base over here inside some weekly demand, which we had located over here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do start seeing higher levels very soon. First area of resistance is located over here at around 1817. So expecting 1817 to get hit very soon, and after that the road is clear up in towards 1880 in my opinion. So yeah, these are kind of like the weekly levels I'm going to be looking at, not really looking at the lower time frame in the sense that I'm not looking at the daily or the 4-hour, just because it's very messy on those time frames. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all a fantastic Friday, and we will stay in touch. Thanks, guys.